Sa lahat ng mga mag-a-apply po dito sa America for a teacher position, alam niyo po ba na dadaan sa Foreign Credential Evaluation or FCE ang transcript of records niyo? A credential evaluation compares academic and professional degrees earned in one country to those earned in another country. Colleges, universities, employers, licensing bodies, and government agencies here in America use credential evaluations to assess foreign education as part of the admission or hiring process. Dahil sa US kayo mag-a-apply guys, your school documents, specifically your TOR, will be considered authentic or valid kapag dumaan sa FCE. Kapag pipili kayo ng gagawa ng FCE nyo guys, dapat member ng National Association of Credential Evaluation Services or NACES. Pero, yung visa sponsor nyo will recommend a specific evaluator. Gaya ng Educational Partners International, they recommend Spentran, pero tumatanggap sila ng kahit anong FCE basta NACES member. Kapag nakapasa ang transcript of records or degree mo, there is a specific stipulation na mababasa mo sa isasend nilang documents sa'yo, like recommended US equivalency, bachelor's degree in secondary education with a concentration in mathematics from a regionally accredited institution of higher education. But before nila ipaprocess yung credential evaluation mo, you need to sign a letter authorizing a specific organization to obtain academic records or verify the authenticity of your school documents in connection with your application for employment. Meron ba expiration date ang FCE? Sa pagkakaalam ko, wala po. But based on my experience, if you have finished another higher degree, you need to apply for another credential evaluation para tumaas sahod mo. So ano-ano yung mga NACES accredited or member na alam ko? Ito yun guys. Pero guys, I highly recommend Spentran kasi they accept scanned transcript of records at ang bilis ng processing nila. Guys, muntik ko na makalimutan, my visa sponsor reimbursed or refunded the amount I paid for my FCE. Just sharing!